Shooting zombie cannons.
Beware!
Now this could be one of the most unique haunted houses we've been to in a long time. We're here at Black Ops Haunted House over here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. What do you got there? Now we're here for halfway to Halloween, so we're just gonna get an abbreviated show. But during the normal season, they've got zombie paintball and fire and flames. Sometimes you even get the guns and get to shoot back at the zombies. So make sure you come back and see them during haunt season. Without further ado, let's go in here and get some scares.
Ooh. Oh, that thing was moving. I think it's us. Ooh, look at that old TV.
All right.
That's cool. Oh. She's sneaky. Ooh, there's Hershey's. Oh, the blood. The sink is blooding. Ooh, there's a knife. Did we grab the knife? Oh, sitting.
Look at the water. Bloody water.
Yeah.
Welcome to Silent Hill.
Oh, I do hear the Silent Hill siren. Don't move too fast. Pyramid head. It's the pyramid head.
I don't think it's supposed to.
I like that.
Oh, jigsaw. They're playing the tape.
Oh God.
I can't help. You gotta do it yourself.
That's not good. That's not good.
That's not good at all. I love Silent Hill.
Vampire's lair.
Protect your neck.
Protect your neck. Put your gaiters on.
Oh, there's a church.
Uh-oh, there's something staring at us.
Ooh, coffin.
Ooh, oh, we're going through the coffin-shaped door. Oh my, there's a big zombie in here. Ooh, look at that bat. I like the bat.
That's cool. That bat.
Oh, that's a big
You say
zombie.
bat's cool? There he is. He's got
That's
wings.
awesome. Wow.
Coffin. Be careful.
This is big.
Little uneven
Oh
ground.
my.
That's a big.
Oh, look at that guy too. Big demon in the corner. He's gonna move. Oh.
He's a live one. Nope, she's a vampire. Oh,
It's a dragon skeleton.
What is?
there's dragons.
Shoot.
And there's old cars. And there's Spideys. There's Spideys.
Ew, it's no.
It's just spider skeleton.
No, it's gross. Don't touch it.
It's just a
It's
baby.
a duck. No spiders. No.
It is.
No.
baby.
It is not no baby. that is an awesome hearse though. Look at that.
Oh, look at that. I love that.
Oh my goodness.
Big Reaper guy.
Wow. Look how foggy that is.
Yeah, that's real fog.
I don't trust it.
Soft.
Ooh, look at the ghost just floating in the air.
Ghosty roasties. Seal our doom.
Oh, you got a mummified cat. Yeah, it's a mummified
What do you got
one.
there?
Uh-oh, shoot. That one's mad, Tony.
Who's mad?
That one.
He's not mad.
Are
He's
you
happy.
sure?
He's greeting us right now.
Oh.
See?
Oh, that is not a welcome. We're gonna go this way. My sword. You can't get me.
Something.
Oh, it's the Jeeper Creeper. Yeah.
Jeeper Creeper.
It's the Creeper Tower.
he got a
He's
body.
putting a
Oh,
body
God.
in there.
Oh God.
Don't do that.
No.
They're not dead yet.
That's not nice.
Oh no. Don't let him smell you.
Oh, he's coming for Nora.
Nope.
Coming.
We go ahead and slow down then.
Axe. No.
Slow right on down.
No, don't slow down, Tony.
Yeah, he needs to join our group.
Hanging on the ceiling.
He's on. Is he up
I
there?
think he's probably up there.
He's on the ceiling.
Definitely up there.
Fire. Oh hell, he is up there.
Okay.
Yeah, he is up there.
Oh, he is up there.
Yeah. The Creeper is my favorite character,
That is cool.
and we don't ever get to see him.
Oh, there's Michelle up there. Oh, there he is.
Tony's just waving at everybody. Oh. Big
Look
Creeper.
out. Don't trust it.
Uh-oh.
Don't go in. Okay, we're going in.
We're going in.
We're going in.
That's a nice pile of bones there.
It is.
It is a pile.
It looks pretty fresh.
Meticulously stacked up there.
Oh, there's
God.
another werewolf. He just turned,
Look
y'all.
out.
Fog.
Into the black house of death.
Ooh, ooh, there's something. It's touching me. Ew. It feels like Spidey's.
Spidey webs.
Yuck. Why is there a light?
What is touching
What
me?
is it hiding?
Oh,
Oh, fire. Look at that. Look at that. That's creepy.
I love this.
Uh-oh. What is it? She got one.
Oh, that's a pirate ship.
Pirates?
Ooh, it is.
It's got a bridge.
Oh, look at that. The boats are down in the water.
The gangway.
Oh, wow.
Got to
Holy
cross
cow.
the gangway to get on the boat.
Oh, this moves. This is creepy. Ah!
Gangway.
I think.
Oh, the fog
over the boats.
Oh.
Whoa,
I
that's
wonder what's
cool.
underneath there. It is
There's
cool.
tentacles coming out of it.
Oh, there's zombies.
Oh lordy.
Aw. Zombie pirates. Shooting zombie
Beware,
cannons.
beware.
Beware.
Dead man's
Be
reef.
warned.
Uh-oh.
Dead
There
man's
might be
reef.
pirates in here. I don't know about that one.
Just
I
trying
like
to get
that
ahead.
one.
Oh, yep.
Fingies.
Fingies, yep. You're right.
yeah.
I knew it.
There he is.
I had a
He's alive
feeling.
one.
Off their head.
Easy.
This is really cool how you go across this.
I know, I like this.
Yes.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, look at that. What is that from? They take you through the river Styx. Whoa! That's awesome. That is awesome. Oh, Jason. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, gee. Lordy.
I even said hello to him.
Sneak up
What is
behind
that?
him.
A
no.
yard?
Oh, God.
Oh, Lord, he's got a good knife, too. Oh, no, you got Sparkies. No.
It's a sparks.
No. Yeah.
And we're walking on a metal floor.
What the freak was that?
Oh, he's coming.
Oh, I am now myself.
God.
They have been left abandoned me. We
Oh,
will.
no.
I don't know
Which
what
way?
that
I think we have to go
I
back
think
the
it's a
other
dead
way.
end.
Go back.
That strobe is getting more disorienting. Balls. Free hugs. I don't think I want a hug from you. I don't think so. I like hugs. Got some awesome toys though. That thing is creepy.
Dolls.
So many dolls. Oh.
So much dolls. I want
Ooh,
that one.
weird merry-go-round thing.
That's my favorite.
Oh, Jesus.
The animatronic guy.
His name is Jesus now.
Yeah. He had some of those dolls. You got a zombie.
no.
It's probably got something to do with the chainsaw.
Come on.
You've mistaken us with someone else.
Zombie sneaking up.
Okay,
Oh,
that's all
there
there
he
is to the thing in the
We got a
corner.
new friend. Got another party member. She got a chainsaw.
Yeah, go back there and be friends with Desi.
Now it's a party. Get down with the clown. Look at the house. Oh, he's coming up behind you.
He's clown.
Watch out for the roots.
Roast it.
No, he went in front of us. Uh-oh. Where are you at, sneaky clown?
Uh-oh. A little up, a little down.
Oh, good. Oh, he's back here. He's back here, hanging out in the corner.
Stop! Shoot balls. There's another one. It's a different
We
one.
have Buddy.
It's a different. Ooh. Oh. Yeah.
another
He seems...
That was down his head. We gotta get on that bus.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Or what you say.
All right, to the bus. What's going on there?
I don't know what he's doing.
He's submitting to the bus.
Watch your
Good,
step.
how are you?
Oh, good night.
Get on there.
We're busty friends. Whoa. Look at that little guy. Shoot, there's more.
There's more.
Clowns in here. Yeah. I like the clown. Oh my gosh, you guys have a clown barn.
There's another one behind me.
Watch your head.
They're surrounding us. I don't know where to go.
Surely that clown won't lead us astray.
No.
We're not ever supposed to follow them. Oh, good night. What is that?
Entire clown team.
The clowns are throwing things. They're throwing things.
He's got a laser on us.
There, I'm low on ammo, okay?
Okay.
I'm trying to protect you how much I can, all right?
Okay, so you're not going to shoot us?
No.
Okay.
So,
Military spy facility.
Go. Okay, let's go.
now 10 more rounds, let's go.
I don't know what it is, but it's
Go
cool.
fast.
No way out.
Oh, no. They're not dying. They're not going down.
He's down.
It's a bushman. Oh, no.
Take the one over here, too.
Safe zone?
Yeah, we need a helicopter. Do the chopper.
I'm like, oh, there it
See the
is.
monsters coming through.
Shoot.
You got him.
It's not.
Here it comes. was Black Ops Haunted House down here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Make sure you come check them out this season to get the full show. When you do, tell them the Scare Factor sent you. Shustin the Zambies. Yeah, they have high-speed buses as part of the whole gig here during haunt season. We're gonna head on off to the next haunt. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.